It's a good question. Yes, chiropractic is very safe and very effective for helping to reduce arthritic pain. Not just reducing your pain today, but it can also slow down the progression of the disease process. Now, one thing to consider is arthritis is not like a light switch where it's either off or on. One day you have it, one day you don't. Arthritis does not work like that. Arthritis is a slow, progressive disease process. It gets worse over time. Now, certainly there are things that we can do to ourselves on a daily basis which will hasten that process along. It will make the arthritis get worse faster. We also know that there are things that we can do to slow down that process. We know that people who have a sedentary lifestyle, their arthritic changes occur at a faster rate. People who have a poor diet, such as diets which are high in fat, their arthritis also grows faster. We know that regular exercise, proper diet, and routine chiropractic care can actually slow down the progression of arthritis. That doesn't mean that the arthritis that you currently have is completely eliminated or that you can turn back the clock. But what it does mean is that the progression of the disease is made slower. And that's actually a really important thing to consider when dealing with arthritis. As we get older, we all suffer the aches and pains that are associated with age. But we all have the opportunity to slow down that aging process. We're all going to get older, but we can choose to get older quick or to get older nice and slow. And the key factors to anti-aging are no mystery to anybody. We know that we need to eat better, exercise more, and seek proper preventative checkups. Things like annual medical examination, semi-annual dental examinations are important, and of course monthly chiropractic examinations. The next time you see a squeaky hinge or some rusty hinge, look at that hinge and think about this discussion here. That hinge did not just get rusty overnight. It slowly developed out of neglect. Had somebody been oiling the hinges properly over time or protected them from the harsh environments, then those hinges would still be operating today. One thing to consider, what are the rusty hinges in your body that you are neglecting? What hinges ought you to be oiling on a fairly routine basis? It's just something to consider.